guys? Welcome to another episode of AC Designs Garage. Today we got something a little different for y'all. Instead of the regular old welding, paint stuff, it's still hot rod stuff, but we love hot rod stuff, don't we? That's what keeps America beautiful. But anyways, I'm going to show you. Alright, here it is. We are putting a bump stick in the 350 today. Now this is not a how to put a bump stick or a cam, whatever you want to call it, in a motor. I'm not a mechanic. I can put this stuff together. I can adjust valves, a little bit of that stuff. So it's going to mainly be on a time lapse, and I'm going to throw down some cool old rock and roll music on there for y'all to listen to, and you can just watch me and Dad put it in it, and we're going to adjust the valves. It's about as far as we're going to get. Next week, I'm going to try to get this cleaned up. The reason for the cam swap today, there's the 350 ready for it. Next week, we're going to try to paint. I'm going to really get in depth and show you guys how to do a base coat, clear coat like we did on Dad's 32, more of a show car style paint job on it that'll hold up and last for you guys and look like $1 million bucks. So I'm going to run you around my old 350 here, and we're going to get ready to put this unit in. Alright guys, here's the candidate today. This is a 350 Craig engine. It's the Mexican block because it says Mexico on it. Yeah, this is what we're putting the cam in today. We got us some good assembly lube and stuff like that. We're going to loopy-doobie this thing up really good. And we're going to come back. I got to pour my oil in. I got to put my oil pan on. If you look over here, I got my intake and oil pan, time cover, all that stuff blasted. We're going to come back with epoxy, and that's going to be next week's video. If you guys want to see how to custom paint an engine like you put in show cars, it'll hold up base clear so you can do these wild flake colors and it ain't going to chalk up. If you see how this old rattle can, I guess it's duplicolor, don't know. Could be Rust-Oleum, I don't know. But it holds up pretty good if you clean good, but it just chalks up after a while. So we're going to paint this thing bright red like we did on my Volkswagen wheels. I mean, this is a resale red. We're going to paint it. Actually has some early finned Corvette valve covers going on it, set of stainless ram horns, all that good stuff. But next week you'll see that. We're going to do that. Just wanted to get the cam put in today. We got her on top dead center on number 1. And we're going to start pulling her apart. Make this mug sound good. Alright guys, here's the specs on the cam if you want to check it out for those of y'all that care. If you want to screenshot them, whatever. This is the Mutha Thumpr cam. You can see right there, the MT Thumpr. I really like these cams. These things sound awesome. But that's all the specs on it right there if you want to pause it or whatever and check it out. But yeah. They got something figured out on these things. They really sound good. We've put a couple of them in and really like them so far. So there's that right there. Now we're going to get to putting it in. Alright guys, hope y'all enjoyed that video. Me and Dad stuffing old bump stick in there. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share out and all that good stuff. And remember, be kind to one another. Jesus loves you, so do we. God bless. We gone.